In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record fixed asset sales in QuickBooks Online. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that even if you're new to QuickBooks, you'll be able to follow along with ease. To start, let's get signed into QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and open your browser, then click on the Sign In button. Once that's done, look for the QuickBooks Online option and select it. Enter your credentials to continue. Make sure you choose your QuickBooks accountant from the list provided, as this ensures that all your accounting records remain consistent. Now head over to the Advanced Accounting section. You'll find this option in the main menu. Clicking on it will take you to the page where all your advanced financial settings and records are managed. From here, proceed to the Fixed Assets tab. This is where you'll input and manage all the details of your fixed assets. Once you're in the Fixed Assets section, you'll see an option on the top right corner to add a new asset. Click on Add an Asset to start the process. The first detail you'll need to provide is the name of the asset you're selling. This name should be specific enough to allow you to easily identify this particular asset in the future. After inputting the asset name, proceed to add the purchase price. It's important that this figure accurately reflects the initial cost of the asset when it was acquired. Next, enter the purchase date. This is when you initially acquired the asset, which is crucial for calculating depreciation. The depreciation start date is your next input. It's typically the same as the purchase date, but there can be exceptions depending on your accounting policies. Then, move on to selecting the depreciation method. Options can include straight line or declining balance depending on how you choose to account for asset wear and tear. Following this, add the useful life of the asset in years. This tells QuickBooks how long the asset is expected to be functional and valuable to your business. Right after the useful life, input the salvage value. This is an estimate of the residual value once the asset has reached the end of its useful life. Next, you'll see sections where you need to add details such as the accounts associated with the asset. Begin with the asset account followed by the accumulated depreciation account, which tracks how much depreciation has been recognized over time. Lastly, input the depreciation expense account. This account reflects the regular depreciation expense that impacts your profit and loss over time. Once all these fields are filled out and double checked for accuracy, click on the Save button. By doing so, you've successfully recorded the sale of a fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing fixed assets becomes intuitive and ensures your accounting records remain accurate. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and next time you'll find recording fixed asset sales in QuickBooks Online even easier.